Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of May. Young Living is an essential oil company that also has oil infused products. So basically it's an overall health and wellness company. I am signed up for Essential Rewards, which basically means that I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And so each month I get to pick and choose what gets sent to me in my box. It's very flexible. You can change the date, you can change the items. We're gonna go ahead and get into my box. It's a big one, so Ashlyn's gonna get the first thing out. What you see, Ashlyn?
A big giant box of NingXia Red Bottles.
So the box was so big because we had a 2-pack of NingXia Red. And so NingXia Red is a supplement that we like to take in our house. It's a really fruity drink. So Ashlyn, if you'll hold that for a second, I'll tell them what's in NingXia Red. So it says, NingXia Red is a healthy daily supplement beverage that contains whole NingXia wolfberry puree, a super fruit blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, and plum juices, natural stevia extract, grapeseed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. And so it recommends that you take 2 fluid ounces 2 times daily, but I do about 1 ounce daily. Ashlyn likes to drink the NingXia Red packets, and she likes it plain, but I like to add a couple drops of one of the Vitality essential oils like orange or grapefruit or lime to make it taste extra fruity. All right, what's next?
There's
We have some tubes, and little tubes usually have essential oils, so we'll see what's in it.
This one's Thieves.
So Thieves is an essential oil that we get year round. It is good for supporting the immune system and the respiratory systems. So I'll read to you what it says about Thieves. All right. Thieves essential oil blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol, and the ingredients are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and it says that you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So this is just something that we use all year round, even though it smells like the perfect essential oil for fall and winter. We use it year round. Okay, what's next?
It is Raven.
And so in combination with Thieves, these are both blends, which means that they have more than one essential oil in them. We get Raven. It's another one that's good for your immune system, but it's also really good for your respiratory system. And so I like to diffuse the two of them together. So Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And the ingredients are Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, lemon, and it says diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So this one's a good one to add to coconut oil and to apply to the chest and the neck and the back if you need some extra respiratory support. So we like that one, but like I said, I tend to diffuse the two of these together every night to help support our health and wellness, especially with everything that's been going on lately. Okay, next.
This is the last one in this tube.
Oh, EndoFlex. Okay, this was a freebie. I ordered 190 promotional value, and so when you meet certain levels with Young Living, you get free products, and so I'm at the 190 level. And so EndoFlex is a brand new essential oil for me, so I want to smell it.
I want to smell it too.
Okay. It smells minty to me. You tell me what you think.
I think it smells like peppermint.
I bet you it has some peppermint or some kind of mint in it, but it smells really good. So, so this is EndoFlex. So I'll read to you what it says about it. All right, so EndoFlex, it says, is a blend of spearmint, there's the mint we're smelling, spearmint, geranium, and other pure essential oils that creates a calming and balancing environment when applied topically. The ingredients are spearmint, sesame seed oil, geranium, German chamomile, sage, myrtle, and nutmeg. And it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. Okay, so that one was a freebie this month.
Got got a second little tube.
We got another little tube, which means probably more essential oils. So what do we have?
We got lavender.
Oh, this is also another freebie. So this is just a 5 milliliter of lavender, and you can see the EndoFlex was a 15 milliliter, so this is kind of a much smaller bottle, but this was a freebie this month. And lavender is an essential oil single because there's nothing but lavender in here, and I love to use lavender in my diffuser because it goes well with orange or the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It just has a really good floral fragrance that's not too strong. I also like to make a body spray and just spray it on myself. I just love the smell of lavender, and it's good for supporting sleep and calm, and just a really nice essential oil. So I'm glad to have that for free. You can never have too much lavender.
This is
Let me see.
longevity.
And so this one has a white label. This is also a freebie this month. This one has a white label because all of the white labels are designed to be used internally, whereas the colored labels are supposed to be diffused, inhaled, or applied topically. I've never smelled longevity, so I'm going to smell it right now. Ashley, you want to smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. It does not smell wonderful.
That's disgusting.
It smells like rubber or plastic. I don't know how to describe that. So, but let's read what it says about longevity vitality. So this one technically can be used internally. So it was another freebie. So that was 3 freebies this month. All right, longevity vitality can be incorporated into a wellness regimen along with other Young Living favorites such as Master Formula, Agile Ease, NingXia Red, and Life 9 supplements. And it says, take as a dietary supplement, always dilute with a carrier oil before internal use. And the ingredients in it are thyme, orange, clove, and frankincense. And I'm not sure, it must be the thyme and the frankincense that's given it that kind of funky smell to me. It doesn't smell horrible, it just doesn't smell great. So that was another freebie, okay?
This is the last one inside this tube.
Oh yeah.
It's in our lavender.
So I ordered a lavender. I was getting low on lavender. We've been diffusing it more with our springtime diffuser blend, so I ordered one. So I got the little one for free, but I got the big one that I put on my Essential Rewards order. Okay?
Okay. Last tube in this box.
We have a big tube, and big tubes usually mean supplements, and I know what this is. It's something that I take most of the year.
Inner defense.
These Inner Defense capsules are basically like taking Thieves in capsule form, and so they are designed to support your health and wellness. They're good for immune support, but they're also good for respiratory support. And it says, one soft gel, Inner Defense Super Blend contains virgin coconut oil, oregano, thyme, lemongrass, and then it also contains this Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is the clove, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary, and cinnamon bark. So this is a good one. I take 1 capsule at night with all my other medicines that I take at night. Let me read to you what it says. So Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support, and it recommends taking 1 soft gel daily in the morning or 1 soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 probiotics 8 hours later. And so I don't take it first thing in the morning because my stomach is a little sensitive, and I've noticed that that can kind of upset my stomach if I don't take it at night, like right before bedtime. So that's a good one to have for immune support. Anything else in our box? So that was our regular Young Living order. So I paid for the NingXia Red, the Inner Defense, Lavender, Thieves, and Raven. And then I got the EndoFlex, Lavender, and Longevity Vitality for free. Now, in addition to this order, I received a box from Young Living that contains some items that I spent my Essential Rewards points on. So this is the box that I got for that. And so it just has a few items. So you can spend your points however you want, whenever you want. It just has to be on full PV product. So I think I spent maybe about $100 worth of points on these products. I don't know if it'll tell me. Let me see. It does not. Okay, so what do you have first?
It says Slique Tea.
Slique Tea. And so Slique Tea is part of the Slique line that they have. And their Slique line is designed to support weight loss goals and things like that. So it says Slique Tea is delicious, served hot or cold. Enjoy daily before or after workouts, with meals, or whenever a naturally derived boost is desired. And so this is a Ocotea oolong cacao spice tea, and so I like to use this to help support my weight loss goals. And the way I use it is at night when I want like a snack, I'll make myself either a hot cup of the Slique Tea, or I can make it ahead of time and drink it cold if I want to. But it's supposed to support your weight loss goals, and it has no fat, 1 carbohydrate, no protein, no sodium, nothing like that. And there's 25 tea bags in here, individually packaged. And so let me see what it says in the book about Slique Tea. So it says Slique Tea is an exotic drink formulated with Ocotea, frankincense powder, and other natural ingredients to help support individual weight goals. How to use, it says bring 8 ounces of water to a boil, place 1 pouch in a cup and add water, steep for at least 3 minutes. And so I'm gonna use that. I've been putting on a few pounds with the quarantine, and so I'm gonna try to get back to losing some weight. Okay, what's next, Ashley?
We got
MultiGreens. So I ordered some MultiGreens, and basically MultiGreens is an herbal supplement, and it says energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa Essential Oil. And it says the serving size is 3 capsules, but I only take 1, and I feel like just getting greens is a good thing. So let me read to you what it says about MultiGreens. So MultiGreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption, and it does say to take 3 capsules 2 times daily. And I started off with just taking 1, so I've been taking 1 capsule in the morning to help support my health and wellness. So what's next?
There's a little thing.
We got a tube.
It's lime.
Lime essential oil. And so I was just getting low on lime, and during the summer months I love to diffuse lime and stress away together. It smells like a margarita, and it's just very relaxing and very calming. Lime is a single oil because there's only lime in here. I love it. It's very relaxing and calming. At the end of the day, that stress away and lime combination smells so good together. Okay, what else?
There's one more thing in here.
One more thing. Oh, yes. So this is also part of the Slique line, and I got the Slique Essence Essential Oil, and it says CitraMint Beverage Enhancer. Basically, it's an essential oil that is designed to go into beverages to help support your weight loss goals. And so it says, the proprietary Slique Essence Oil blend contains grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, ocotea, and stevia. And so you can't diffuse this. You can only add this to food or drink. Slique products are uniquely formulated with powerful, effective ingredients to help you obtain your individual weight loss goals when combined with diet and physical activity. And so I like to use the Slique Essence Essential Oil in my Slique Tea. So I'll make a cup of hot tea, and then I'll add about 4 to 5 drops of the Slique Essence Essential Oil blend into my tea, and I'll drink it. And it tastes fruity and kind of has a touch of mint to it, so it's really good. So I think that's it for us this month. If you have any questions about Young Living, leave those questions in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a
Big thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel if you like videos like this. And until next time,
Bye.
bye guys.